Oh, Louisiana flavor y'all love about our chicken?
Get this molasses.
Yeah, we did that to crispy Alaskan flounder and butterfly shrimp too.
The civil authorities have issued an evacuation immediate for Riverside County, California, which includes the areas of Temecula, Marina, French Valley, and Rainbow. At 4:17 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a wildfire was reported near Dimas Road and is moving northeast toward residential areas. Residents in the following areas must evacuate immediately. North of Temecula Parkway, south of Highway 79, east of Rancho California Road, west of DePortal Road. Residents in Merida along Los Alamus Road and French Valley near North Temecula Parkway should also evacuate. Take only essential items such as medications, identification, important documents, and pets. Use Temecula Parkway, Highway 79, or Old Highway 395 to evacuate south and away from the fire. An evacuation center has been established at Temecula Community Center. Fire officials report extreme fire behavior and rapidly changing conditions due to strong winds and dry vegetation. Emergency vehicles may be operating on roadways. Stay tuned to local media and official channels for additional updates. This concludes the activation of the emergency alert system.